Hey friends, I am back with another unboxing video. This is a gift I received from Decorably. I'm very excited about this. So let's open them up and see what I have. All right. It's got a nice little pull. All right, let's see what's inside. There are 3 things in here. Oh, a weekly planner. This is beautiful. So we have got a weekly planner here where you have every day of the week. You have your weekly focus, your top priorities, and you've got some notes and doodles here and just little notes for next week. This is nice, and it'll lay flat on your desk. So I'm very excited to use this and show you how I use it. Let's see what else I have. Ooh, magnets. It's a weekly meal planner. Oh, I love this. Oh, and it's got beautiful watermelons on it. This is great. So this will help keep us on track for the new school year. It's got the week of. We can put our date on there. It's got all 7 days of the week here. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. It looks like there's a perforated edge here, so you can rip this off because it looks like it's got your grocery list. So I guess if you want to write your grocery list there to help plan those meals for the week. And some notes and special requests. And it's got these great magnets to hang on the fridge. Ooh, we're going to be very excited to use that. Oh, I am just a list maker. Decorably, you have my heart on the list making pads. Groceries with magnets. This is going to go on our fridge and we can check what we need or write what we need. There's several pages here. Wonderful. I'll show you how I use it. Let's open up another gift from Decorably. Got a pull string here. This is wonderful. Christian thanking of you cards. Oh, I can't wait to open each one of these and show you more details on them and how I use them. Thank you, Decorably. And if you're really excited to get any of these products yourself, you can click on the link below in the description, or you can go visit my Amazon store to get your own. And anybody who purchases this with my special promo code will receive 10% off.